Little test set here. I'm going to rest this phone camera here and hopefully you'll see what I'm doing. And here we go. You have to put your finger over one of the slots on the smoke unit to get the chuck sound. And for some reason my reverse was working, just stopped. But a couple of things: when you convert a non-smoke unit to a smoke unit, even when it has this casting back here to hold the gear, the socket hole that the smoke is going to sit into is in this case was too deep, and I had to shim it with some rubber grommet. That meant I had to have a longer bolt, and on and on. The other issue that I found was that caused me unending hours of frustration. Someone put the wrong screw in here. I got this unit already assembled, so I just put it on. I just put the gear on, put the screw in, put everything together. Everything's fine, and it was binding seriously. I couldn't figure out what was wrong. I oiled it, I checked the alignment, I went over and over it. Finally I realized I had the sprocket out with the screw in it, and I turned the armature by my hand and I couldn't turn it. It was like, what the hell? And then I went to wiggle the piston and it wouldn't move. And I realized that shoulder on that bolt was cut too short. This bolt that was in here is for the wheel. And they have a different shoulder length because the thickness of this rod is thicker than the rod that's down here. So this bolt has to have a deeper shoulder to prevent it from the head actually clamping the arm to the gear. Fortunately, I'd ordered 25 of these screws from Train Tender, pulled one out of my bag that he had made brand new to the spec. There you go, it's fixed. Now all I need to do is find the smoke and the heater and button this up and wire it in and the headlight, and it'll smoke and have headlights and chuff, and it'll be great. Okay, and I have about 15 minutes left of my train time today to do that. So we'll see what I can get done. But I thought you would like to see success. Kinda. Yeah. Don't know why he's not. There he's reversing. Unhappily. Alright, later. I try to show off and it never works.